So, if you are annoyed by the Now brief on your Samsung phone, you're not alone. And the good news is, we can turn that off. So, to turn that off, first we'll go to Settings, and then from there we'll scroll down to Lock Screen, or yours might say Lock Screen and AOD, depending on what type of phone you have. And from here, we'll go to Now Bar. Here you would find a toggle for the Now brief, and just toggle that off. I have the Galaxy A16, and Samsung actually doesn't offer that feature for the A series phones because it requires more AI processing power. But if you have that feature, you will see it in this menu, and you can simply toggle off. And if you see some other toggles here that you don't want to see on your screen, you can go ahead and turn those off as well. In some cases, you might still see those briefs linger on your screen even after toggling it off. If that happens, there's another thing you can do to get rid of it. So you'll go to your Settings, and then scroll down to Galaxy AI. Like I said, my A-series Galaxy phone doesn't get these fancy AI features, bummer, so I can't show you the exact menu here. But you would go to the Galaxy AI menu, then tap on Now Brief, and from there tap Content to Include, and then simply turn off every single checkbox there. You'll see things like weather, health reminders, news, etc. So just turn off every single box there, and you should not be bothered by that again. Anyways, that's how you turn off the annoying Now brief. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more simple guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.